Here, ready? Sit. Wait till she takes the drink. Take a drink. Can you drink? This is for us. She's so cute in her shirt. Don't you agree? Don't you agree?
So set the table, feed the dogs. And bread will be done by then. And
Whoa! What happened?
It's raining! Want to help? No, not that. Here, jeez, her hands are freezing. You gave her a
She was just outside.
Oh.
You set the table, Kelly?
Go.
Go set the table.
Go. What's for dinner?
Leftovers, lime, onion, salad, bread.
I love bread.
I know you do, so I got a big one. Okay. How are you, girl?
Hey, Kelly. Kelly. Just get the back of her head.
Want to help you, doggy? Okay, wait. You're gonna take this while so go walk all the way up so it's half to you.
I'm just playing. Let's see how it works.
Here you go, Bean. It looks nice. It's a nice camera. So tiny.